IBS is working with a unique model that allows the consumers to use the cloud-based services to develop, use and host their blockchain apps. Functions and smart contracts in a nutshell, they provide full-fledged blockchain platforms that ease the development process. IBS is acting as a bridge between the enterprise companies and enterprise blockchain platforms.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Feel uninvited.
International Blockchain Academy is the initiative of IBS that has training as its sole focus. International Blockchain Academy's commitment is to create and deliver highly engaging training for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency, or you can say the virtual currency. International Blockchain Academy is one of the first leading and learning organization to provide a truly dynamic online and offline educational training platforms. IBS works in a simple way by setting up the blockchain implementation, but consumer has to give IBS a certain fee to deploy and maintain the blockchain nodes, and it is paid by their native token IBS token. IBS will manage the back-end services, specifically the complicated services for clients and businesses. It is their responsibility to look after the crucial blockchain technology artifacts and keep them running without any downtimes. Now here you can see the Trader's Eye. It is also an initiative of the IBS token, and in this video I will tell you that how you can use the Trader's Eye. Here you can see the main things of the IBS token, that how it will work. You can make the app and the dApps with the help of IBS platform. It is such a great thing for all the new developers, and the blockchain will run successfully with the help of IBS if you are going to use it. Main expertise of the IBS platform are the gaming app, sport app, dating portals, hotel industry, fashion industry, travel and tourism portals, voting apps, privacy apps, and digital marketing. These are the main focuses, and also you can say the entire expertise of the IBS platform. Secondly, you can even make the decentralized apps as I told you before, and also the crypto payment integration. All these type of things you can make with the help of the IBS, and they are not going to charge as much fee. Here you can see all the things about the IBS, and the best thing which I am going to share with you is about the Trader's Eye, which I will tell you at the end that how you can use the Trader's Eye. And if you want to read anything about the IBS, simply come towards the main platform. I will share the link in the description so you can easily use it, and you can you can basically come over here and you can read all the things about the IBS platform. And now at this time, it's the best time to make some good profit, and also you can make some good money with the help of IBS, and also you can make your dreams come true if you are going to utilize the IBS platform, because the Trader's Eye is a unique thing. And you can also say the major thing that it's a new thing in the crypto entire world. Now we are on the main platform of the Trader's Eye, and what you have to do, first of all, you have to connect your MetaMask on the Trader's Eye, and be sure one thing that your MetaMask has some good volume of Ethereum and also some IBS token. You can utilize the IBS token even over here, and after connecting your MetaMask, then you can utilize this platform. I will share all the details about the minimum and the maximum amount of the IBS and Ethereum needed on the Trader's Eye. And here you can also see the IBS the IBS main platform link, and you can even go over there to read all the things about the Trader's Eye. So Trader's Eye is such a great and unique thing, and you can make the money. And every time the chart is basically 100% absolutely right, because I was checking during the video, I was checking each and everything about the graph, and also I was checking the CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, and it is 100% right. So you can go with it, and it's your time to grab this opportunity.